Hi guys, in this video I will explain to you how to use the LDR in an electronic circuit to control some devices. To start, we need the LDR, a battery, two resistors, one with value range from 220 ohm and 1 kilo ohm, the other with value range from 50 kilo ohm and 100 kilo ohm, and any kind of NPN transistors. It is preferable to use the BC 547 or the 2N 7000 for a high quality. Before you watch this video, it is highly recommended that you watch the previous one so as to know what a transistor is and how to link it in an electronic circuit. As a first step, we should put all these pieces in the breadboard. Like this. After that, we should link all these pieces this way. These two poles are for the device. Then we give energy to the breadboard. To try the circuit, I will use the LED. In the presence of dark, the LED is luminous, but when we highlight the LDR, the LED turns off.